Today we're going to show you how to use your Thetford fridge in your motorhome. So you'll see there's a black button here, so you simply just hold that down for a few seconds and all the lights will come up on the screen here. So this fridge is a three-way fridge with an automatic setting. So you can manually make your choices by pushing this little square. So that's choosing power, that's choosing battery, so you can only run your fridge off the battery when you're driving, and gas if you're freedom camping. But if you select A, that's the automatic option. So now the fridge will automatically select the power source. And because we've got the gas on, it's automatically chosen gas. This display will go away after a while, so to get it back up, you just give the button a quick push. The second one along is the temperature inside the fridge. So by pushing this, that's obviously the lowest, and that's up to the highest. The third one along is a little defroster. So inside the freezer door there's a heater pad, and that will give your fridge a defrost. But don't leave that on all the time because it will drain your house battery. So we turn that off. When you load your fridge, so you lift the clip to lift it up and you load everything inside, ensure you lock the door down the bottom. You push it in and pull that lock across for travelling. It just gives that door extra security while you travel. Then when you get home and you turn the fridge off by holding the button down till all the lights go out, you put it into the ajar position. So again, you open it up. Underneath the clip there's a little leg that comes out. Bring it back in and you can lock it into position for storage.